Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we are going to test how strong are different plastics. We have many samples. Some are like just solid plastic, some are 3D printed, and all are roughly the same size. And we are going to test them with our 150 ton press and force sensor. Okay, and first one is my favorite plastic, polyacetal. This is really easy to machine. It's strong and glides well. And the trade name is Ertacetal, and some shorter trade name that I have been using is just POM. And since these are slippery, we have the safety box and blast shield. And time to guess when they start to break. And my wife says 11 tons, and I'm going to say 70 tons. These are hard. Okay, I think it's already broken. Yeah, I don't want to stress the sensor by exploding these, but I show here what is going to happen. We have done it before, and there is link to this video in end screen. So it's not good for sensor, that kind of stuff. But I think we have to like check on the edit which is the force where they start to go. But I think it was like maybe 40 tons or something like that, pretty much. Okay, and then my next favorite plastic, PLA. It's easy to print, cheap, non-toxic, biodegradable, weak as hell. Or at least that everybody says. But I think it's going to be surprisingly strong. Okay, at least when 3D printed it's a bit weaker than the POM was. Okay, and then same stuff, but this is only 30% infill, so this is more realistic 3D printed plastic part. And then the slipperiest plastic, Teflon, so the same stuff that you have on your frying pan, thin layer. And they didn't have reasonable part where we can cut to same length as the other ones. So this is a bit shorter, but I think it's not going to affect super much. The diameter is still the same. Okay, I think it's breaking now, but let's keep going. First mini explosion. But this I can put on the sensor. If you compare this to this, there is still a slight difference. And then we have polyethylene or nylon. And this should be almost exactly the same as POM. Hard, slides well, durable. I think POM is slightly harder if I remember right, but we are going to find out. I would say that this is harder. It's really strong. It takes about 50 tons to make anything. Okay, here is the same 70 tons. We can compare the end results. It's like almost okay. Let's give it 100. Okay, I think this is enough. I don't want to break the sensor. Yeah, but definitely stronger than the first one that we tested. And then we have everybody's favorite plastic, polyethylene or PE. This is the most common plastic used by mankind. And I'm not sure why it's so popular. It should be pretty weak, so not good. But let's see. Yeah, much weaker than some of the other ones. Yeah, I think it's ready. That's interesting. And then the last one, polypropylene. And this should be really good against like all kinds of chemicals, but I think it's not going to help here. Looks pretty strong. Okay, here is again 70. I think this is pretty good benchmark. And yeah, I think the last two, these would benefit from the larger tool. This is a bit annoying when they wrap around like that. But yeah, I'm going to take this off and then have final thoughts. Okay, so I can declare that the winner is nylon. I think it was this. Then the second part was the bomb. 3D printed was useless. Teflon exploded. But these are now really nice and traditional hydraulic press channel ashtrays. Probably not very good to use as an ashtray. Probably generates a lot of toxic smoke. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have thick fox. But I really think that this is simulation what happens when our cat gets really fat. So it can steal my food and get fat, so we have to deal with it.